Hey guys, it is time to open up our FabFitFun box. I'm sorry, I just filmed that video. It's time to open up our Stitch Fix box for the month of September in the year of 2021. So yeah, I am filming 2 videos today, so that's why it is the same attire. I'm not sure which one I'm posting first yet. I don't know. I might post the Stitch Fix video first, but maybe I'll post the FabFitFun one first. Maybe I'll roll a die. Figure it out later. But anyways, if you're unaware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription service. You get paired with a stylist who hypothetically picks you 5 items every month. The reason why I say hypothetically is because one of the new services that Stitch Fix rolled out within the last year is that you actually get a preview of your box and you can kind of like say yay or nay to a bunch of items that your stylist has picked out for you. And if you end up hating all of the items that your stylist has picked out for you, you can go ahead and just be like, I hate all of this, try again. And then your box will actually be 100% surprised. You won't get like a second preview before they send the box. So with that being said, technically, I guess they still pick it out for you. There's just an added feature now where you get some say in what ends up getting shipped to your house. And if you don't like anything, you can send everything back. Normal subscribers get to pay a $20 styling service, but after you've done Stitch Fix for a couple months, they usually offer a new subscription plan called the Style Pass, where you just pay $50 for the whole year, and that's for unlimited boxes, and you don't have to worry about that, $20 per box fee. Sophie is in and out of this room, so you might hear her, which is great because she hasn't made an appearance in a while, and today she's like in overdrive as far as that goes. Anyways, here's my prepaid envelope to send anything I don't want back. And let's go ahead and look at what my stylist has to say. Here's the invoice. I don't like to look at that until the very end because I like to make my own independent thoughts about the clothing items and then look at the invoice to see how I feel about it still, and then decide whether or not I want to keep it. And then here is the note from my stylist. I honestly am very confused about stylists because I had Holly for a long time, and then last time I think I had a Brittany, and I don't remember if I chose whether or not to go with Brittany or if I chose the option of I'm open, you choose. So let's go ahead and see. So it says, hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 25. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I actually really like the Fix preview experience. I think it's really upped the game of Stitch Fix. I'm so glad to see that you found multiple items that you look forward to trying on. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Kaylee faux wrap dress, paired with some strappy sandals or wedges, and then layer on a jean jacket if you would like for a fun and casual look. How does the dress fit you? Try out the Market and Spruce dress paired with flats or heels and layer on a blazer if you would like for a professional option. Joke's on her, I work outside. I don't. I have a uniform. How does the dress fit you? Please, always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend Brittany. So again, as usual, I picked a lot of these items a long time ago and I don't actually remember what I picked, but I am becoming reminded as of right now. So let's go ahead and see these clothes in action. So here is the first item. I think almost everything in here is a dress or romper, and I think there's one pair of jeans. So this is, it's kind of a floral print. I do really like this color. I'm a sucker for anything teal. I don't usually wear a whole lot of teal, but I love teal decor. This is a little polyester-y, but it's very stretchy. I'm curious as to what the ingredients of the fabric are, if I can find that label somewhere on here, because it's very, it's very polyester-y, if that makes sense. I am a little concerned this might wear a little short because my booty is a little ridiculous and makes things shorter on accident. But I'm excited to try this on. Let's see, the next item. Oh, I think it's a maxi dress, and I'm pretty short and I have short legs, and I always struggle. I've don't think I've ever found a maxi dress that works for me. And so I was like, you know what, if anyone can do it, it's Stitch Fix, because they do have specialized clothing items for, you know, people who have different body measurements. So they do have, like, if you have long legs, you can get long jeans. If you have short legs, you can get short jeans, etc. They're having a couple times where my stylist has either forgotten or maybe just doesn't think about it for the preview. But this is the maxi dress. I'm loving this floral print. I love maroon. My school colors were maroon and gold, Fire Up Chips. If anyone understands that reference, it does have a strappy back. And then it does have some slits, it looks like, on the side. So, you know, I haven't said anything about this because I'm a little nervous it wasn't going to work out, but at the end of the month we are going to Hawaii, so this might be a perfect Hawaii dress depending on how this works out. Ooh, this next dress I actually saw another YouTuber try on, but in a different color. I did not realize this was going to be the color that it was, which in the camera I don't know if it's showing up like this, and maybe it was like this for the other YouTubers. So I don't know if you guys watch See Elise Shop, or I think her channel might just be like See Elise, and then her different videos are like See Elise Shop or Eat or Drink or whatever. But anyway, she's hilarious. I love her. She got a dress, I think it was either this dress or a dress very similar in her box, and I was like, why aren't you keeping that? You look phenomenal in that dress. So when I saw this show up in my preview, I was like, I need to try on that dress. So I don't know if this is showing up. I think you can see it on camera. I thought this was a black and white dress. This is actually a white and like dark green striped dress. And then it has this little zhuzh thing going on. It's like a slit, but it's not a slit. I am a little concerned it might be a little too see-through, but that is a problem for a future dress when we try it on. I'm also a little concerned that this might be too short as well, so I don't know. But it looks fun, and I can't wait to try it on. The next item is a romper, and I have traditionally had issues with rompers, but again, I was like, you know what? If anyone can do a good romper, it's gonna be Stitch Fix. So gave it a shot when I saw this in my preview. It's a little more orangey than I thought it would be. I thought it would be more red, but I don't think this will be unflattering in color. It is kind of like a floral print, kind of not. It does have this like fake tie detail on the side, and overall I'm excited to try it on. We will see. And then lastly is a pair of jeans. These are high-waisted cropped jeans, and if I remember correctly, they are distressed a little bit. So I got this going on. It does look like I'll probably need to roll up the bottoms. I'm not sure if they're short or not. Does it say anything on here? Doesn't say anything about hair on that, so we shall see. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try on all of these items, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the jeans. Lengthwise, they actually fit perfectly. I could roll them up, but I don't feel the need to, and I feel like these would actually fit perfectly with a pair of booties. These overall even fit perfectly. Like, we don't got any muffin top going on. We don't got any weird like bulging going on down here, which sometimes happens with the high-rise pants for me, unfortunately. Actually, I was wearing a different pair of high-rise pants when I was filming the first part of this video, and it did have an element of like bulging right here, and this has some control, so it does the good like mom jean high-rise thing. I actually really like these. I don't have anything in such a light wash, and these might actually be keepers. I wasn't so sure about these. So yeah, thumbs up for the jeans. So here is the romper. So first of all, this is literally the best fitting romper I've ever found. I've already highlighted one of the main features of this romper is that pockets. Who doesn't love a good pocket on a dress? I do love how it accentuates the waistline. It fits literally the top half of my body very perfectly. And it fits the bottom half of my body pretty well. I'm not, usually with rompers, I feel like they cut too short right here, or like they're very tight here for some reason that I don't understand. So overall, I do really like this. I'm just not thrilled with like maybe the color or the pattern of it. Like, I really do think if it was a different color or pattern, this would be like a 100% keeper. And right now I'm just kind of feeling on the fence about it. So overall, it's a success. I'm just not sure if it's a keeper or not. Okay, so here is the striped dress. Overall, it is very, very flattering, and I do really, really enjoy it. It is a little bit sheer, so I did have to go change some undergarments, so that way I wasn't accentuating anything on accident, if you will, that I didn't want to accentuate. If I wanted to get a little nitpicky, I like the way it sits around here isn't quite working for some of my curves, but that could also just be fixed by some different undergarments or maybe even a nice piece of shapewear. Overall, I really, really like the dress. I just don't know if I love it, especially price point. I don't know. But God, it's just in like the length is perfect. This is a perfect just like casual day dress for me. And I think I love it. That's where I'm at with it. Anyways, let's go try on another dress. Okay, here is the maxi dress, which does lengthwise, like I can't decide if it's too long or not. Looking at it, I guess, in this reflection of the camera, I think it's actually a little too long, which is a little unfortunate. I really love the floral print. I really love the feel of it. I do have some issues with how it is like fitting like from here to here, just because it does not give you any grace for any of your curves. So again, like with the white and green striped dress, if I had a little piece of shapewear to kind of like smooth some of this out, it'd be a little bit different. I just don't know if I want to be wearing shapewear while I'm in Hawaii. I do really like the back detail on this, the strappy back, very cute. If I suck in, it's like not quite as noticeable, but I don't know if you guys have ever had this issue where you suck in so much that you actually start to have abdominal pain, but I've done that before. So overall, I don't think this dress is a keeper, but oh, it is very cute, and I do wish it just fit a little bit better. It's just a shame. That's where we're at. Anyways, I'll go try on the last dress. Here is the last dress in all of its glory. So I love the length on it. It's not too long, it's not too short. It hits right where I really like my sundresses to hit. I kind of like this bow, but leaving it untied, it's a faux wrap dress, so it doesn't really, affect how tight it does sit around the waistline. I do just love the color on me. I think it's a really pretty color. My only beef, I guess there's two beefs actually. One of them, no pockets, so take that into consideration. And the second one is it's a little gappy around here, and I would definitely need some fashion tape to avoid exposing my bra. And I would have put some on for this try on, but the fashion tape I have, like, it's super duty, like heavy duty. It would have left some residue on here, and like I've never experienced this myself, but I've heard some people do get like cleaning fees from Stitch Fix before, and I'm not about that. So anyways, I'm not sure if this is a keeper or not, just because of how it does fit up here. Like the fit from here up is just not that great. And I did tighten it as much as I could get away the straps, but it's still just, it's a little gappy. I don't know. I have so many other just floral print sundresses that I'm not sure I can rationalize keeping this one. That being said, let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's see what kind of damage I can do today with this invoice. So the romper was a cool $54. This dress that I'm wearing is also $54. Of course, the white and navy green, dark foresty green dress that I fell in love with was $68. It is the most expensive item in this box. The maxi dress is $54 as well, and the jeans were $58. So the subtotal is $288. If you do keep all 5 items, it does give you a 25% discount. So with that discount, it would be, if I kept all 5, it would be $216. And I don't have any credit at the moment to reimburse, so it would be $216. Now, what I do sometimes is I will keep all 5 items for the discount, and then I'll put some items up for sale in my Poshmark shop at a cheaper price. That way I can kind of pass the savings on to you and I can rationalize a little better keeping some of these things. With that being said, I'm not sure how I would feel about that for this box. I do really like the jeans and I really like that white and green dress. The other 3 items I would, if I were to keep all 5, I would then put in my Poshmark shop. I'm thinking about it. I'm debating about it. We'll see what happens with my Poshmark shop. Keep an eye out if you're interested. I guess I'll let you guys know, or comment down below if you want a decision. I will probably end up posting this video before the FabFitFun unboxing video, just because I did technically get my Stitch Fix before then. And see, oh, here's the gappy thing. I'm accidentally exposing my bra. So that's what I was talking about with this dress. But hey, if you have a larger chest, this might actually fit you a lot better, just because you don't have to worry about gappy. It would fill it out a little better than I am today. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, consider doing the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, turning on the notification bell. That was the last one. Anyways, stay safe and stay cool out there, my friends.